Are you thinking about investing in ServusConnect for your church's management needs? Before you make that decision, here are 12 essential things you should know about this software. We'll compare it to other church management software options to help you make an informed choice. First, ServusConnect offers a user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for church staff to manage membership, donations, events, and communication. While it's simple to use, compared to other solutions like Planning Center or Breeze, ServusConnect doesn't have as many advanced customization options. If your church requires highly tailored solutions, other platforms might be more suited. Next thing, let's talk about its pricing. ServusConnect has a competitive pricing model with affordable monthly subscriptions. While it's more budget-friendly than some larger platforms, the basic package lacks some features that come standard with other tools, such as live streaming capabilities or advanced reporting. You'll need to weigh whether these extras are essential for your needs. The third thing to consider is its membership management system. ServusConnect allows for tracking members, managing families, and organizing groups. While this is solid, some competitors like ACS Technologies offer deeper integration with financial tools or more robust communication channels for larger congregations. Fourth, the donation management features are straightforward. ServusConnect integrates with major payment processors and helps you track donations, issue receipts, and generate reports. However, if you're looking for more advanced fundraising tools, like recurring donation options, other software might give you more flexibility. Next thing, its event management system. While it offers basic tools for organizing events and signups, it's not as robust as some other platforms, like Elvanto, which provide more in-depth features such as customizable event registration forms and integrated volunteer scheduling. For small to medium-sized churches, this will work fine, but larger churches may find it limiting. The sixth thing is communication tools. ServusConnect provides email and text messaging capabilities, which are essential for staying in touch with your congregation. However, platforms like ChurchTrack offer more sophisticated communication features, including group texting, event reminders, and social media integrations. Seventh, consider the mobile app. ServusConnect's app offers a simple interface for members to engage with your church's events, donations, and schedules. While it's functional, it's not as feature-rich as the mobile apps from platforms like Tithe.li, which has better engagement tools for churchgoers. Next, look at customer support. ServusConnect offers email support, but compared to competitors like Planning Center, which provides live chat and phone support, it may feel a bit limited. This could be a crucial factor if you require immediate assistance. The ninth thing to note is its integrations. ServusConnect integrates with basic tools like Google Calendar, but doesn't offer the breadth of integrations that some other church management software options do, such as integrations with accounting tools like QuickBooks or membership platforms like Realm. Next thing is reporting and analytics. While ServusConnect provides standard reports for donations and attendance, it lacks some advanced reporting features available in other software like Fellowship One, which offers more in-depth analytics and customizable report options. If you're highly data-driven, you may need to look elsewhere. The 11th thing is data security. ServusConnect employs industry-standard encryption and security measures to protect your data. However, some larger competitors invest more in security features, such as two-factor authentication, which could be important for churches handling large volumes of sensitive information. Finally, ServusConnect's scalability. This software is a great option for smaller churches or organizations just getting started with church management software. But if you have a large or growing congregation, you may eventually outgrow its features, making other platforms with more scalability, like Rock RMS, a better long-term investment. ServusConnect is an excellent choice for smaller churches looking for a simple and affordable solution for membership management, donations, and communication. However, if you need more advanced features, integrations, or scalability, we recommend checking out our top-rated alternative, which offers a free trial to help you decide.